स्वीडन में खातून वजीर इजलास में अपने बच्चे को साथ लाने पर आलमी तवज्जो का मरकज़ बन गई। ईरानी नजाद रोमीना पुरमुख्तारी ने 3 माह की बच्ची के साथ यूरोपीय यूनियन के इजलास में शिरकत की। इजलास के बाद मीडिया से गुफ्तगू में कहा, वजीर और माँ बैक वक्त दोनों जिम्मेदारियाँ अदा कर सकती हैं।
Good morning. Very pleased to be back in the Council and looking forward to today's discussions on many different topics. Happy also to be an example of not having to choose between being a present minister and a present mother. And I think that there are many things that makes Europe a wonderful place to live. One of them being just this, that we can have the possibility of attending meetings and attending to my child. Today we will have discussions on CO2 standards, and I think that the oil spike prices that we've had are just another example of the vulnerability when we have a dependency on imported